All right, y'all, we are live on this beautiful Tuesday morning. Blessings to everybody in the name of the Messiah, Yeshua, Jesus. I pray everybody is very, very blessed. And today is a very exciting day. The first New York Open after the long weekend, after the massive, earth-shattering pump. That's right, guys. In case you didn't know, Bitcoin is pumping like crazy, looking bullish as heck. And we're going to be watching this volatility. Stay tuned, guys. Make sure to like the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Make sure to click the bell for notifications. We will be live in 1 minute. Yo, yo, yo. Ladies and gentlemen, wait. Wrong YouTube channel. All right, y'all. What is going on right now? Bitcoin is absolutely pumping. And what we have to do right now is we have to get on some music to assist us in this price action. My apologies, guys, for not putting on the right background music here. Now, New York is about to open in 10 minutes. 10 minutes. And guys, I am unabashedly in multiple long trades right now. Okay? I'm still in the long, guys. Next TP, 25K. Let's go, baby. 12K in realized profit. Unfortunately, I closed a big part of the position yesterday by accident. Okay? And so I added a little bit to it today, so my entry sucks, but it is what it is, guys. It is what it is. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Shout out to Jamie, says it's going to pump. Shout out to SSJ3, who says, yo, good morning. Jamie says LFG, which means looking for goals in life. Alright, so people say we're going to dump down to the 19.5K level. Guys, let's take a look here. Actually, at what exactly is happening. Okay. Right now, the Bitcoin price is actually kind of forming a triangle pattern. A symmetrical triangle pattern. I'm sorry, an ascending triangle pattern, you could say. With a clear area of resistance right here. Now, major areas of resistance that we need to be aware of, okay, is obviously going to be the green box that I have on my chart right now. Right? Major resistance is going to be this box. If we can come above this box, guys, very, very bullish in my opinion for Bitcoin. Okay? Again, we have 7 minutes until New York is going to open. Let's check out actually what is happening live right now on the order flow chart on coinalize.net. We can see that we have lots of longs opening up right here. We've got longs opening. Let's check out what is happening over on EXO. big decrease right here in open interest on this 15-minute candlestick here. Let's see what we got going on. We've got longs opening up. Shorts are getting wrecked right now, guys. Shorts are getting wrecked. Now, let's take a look at our good friend Market Cipher B and see what exactly can we expect. Now, again, we are looking at this 4-hour time frame, and the 4-hour money flow, guys, continues to get thicker. Continues to get thicker. Now, we need to be careful, because if we go to like the weekly time frame, we can see that right now, I mean, Bitcoin is literally about to put in a higher high on the weekly time frame, right? If we put in a higher high on the weekly time frame, this then will, in my opinion, reverse market structure on the weekly, which then, in my mind, guys, I will absolutely be looking for a pretty nice relief rally, right? Take a look at the monthly time frame right now. Monthly time frame is printing a green dot. Last time we had a green dot in the monthly, that was the major relief rally. Okay, so Bitcoin is currently at key resistance right now. We are at key resistance right now. Let's go to the chart. Let's see what is happening. Oh my goodness. Bitcoin coming up to the area of key resistance right now. What is going to happen on a lower term time frame? Are we going to lose this level, or are we going to keep pumping? Let's take a look at the 12-minute. 12-minute technically has some, it technically does have some bearish divs here. Okay, it's 5 minutes before New York Open. We technically got some bearish divs here. Let's see what happens here, guys. Let's see what's going to happen here. 5 minutes before New York Open. Let's see if this is going to give us a drop down to potentially some of these areas of support. Now, below us, we do have some very important areas of support, right? Below us right now, the major areas of support are going to be, number one, the $20,600 level. Below that, we have the $20,200 level. And below that, the very juicy support is the $19,500 level. The $19,500 level is a very, very juicy area of support below us. Let's check out what has just happened here. Big decrease of open interest here. Definitely a chickens drinking water going on right here. This could give us the move down. New York very well may open bearish and then give us a fake move to the downside. And then maybe a reversal back to the upside if we hit down to some of these areas of support. Now, I'm currently drinking, guys, Zevia Cherry Cola to get myself nice and caffeinated for this this stream right here. Okay? So, let's see here what is going on. I'm going to check, just make sure that the music here is not copyrighted. We're gonna get some good synthwave going on here. Okay, so now price has gotten a chicken's drinking water. What is a chicken's drinking water? A chicken's drinking water, guys, is when we come up to snag the liquidity from this high that we put in on Friday night, and then we get a fake out back down into the range. And as you can see on the 12-minute time frame, we have bearish divergences as this happens. We also have money flow getting lower. Now, keep in mind, New York is going to open in 3 minutes, guys. And New York loves to give us the 1-2 punch. New York loves to give us that 1-2 punch, right? They'll give us a fake move to the downside, and then they'll give us the real move to the upside, or vice versa. They'll give us a fake move to the upside, and then the real move to the downside. Okay? Now, I'm holding my longs, guys. I'm holding my longs. And I'm honestly looking to add to my longs at some of these lower levels if we can come down to there. So I'm honestly hoping when New York opens, we get a big fake out to the downside, grab all this liquidity from down below, and then rocket ship up. Elon Musk tweeting about Twitter, tweeting about how good Bitcoin is for the environment. Greta Thunberg will be so stoked when Elon Musk tweets about the environment. Shout out to everybody in the chat, guys. Blood diamond on the dollar on the 4 hour. Interesting, interesting, David. That could give us a very bullish move to the upside. Blood diamond on the 4 hour. ETH Bitcoin about to rock on the 4 hour. Guys, I'm going to be making a video later tonight about about when the altcoin season is going to be here, because altcoin season is coming. Altcoin season is coming, guys. Make sure to smash up the likes. FOMO into the like button. We got 500 people in here, only 100 likes. You know what that does to a man's self-esteem. We have officially put in a higher high on the weekly time frame, guys. On the weekly time frame, we have just put in a higher high on Bitcoin. Wow! Is this making history? Is this making history? We have just put in that higher high. Now, here's the thing. We do have a key area of resistance, even still. New York opening in 1 minute, but again, this whole zone right here, this green box, coming all the way up to like 21,850, is still resistance. But the fact that we have officially made now a higher high is bullish. Now, if we can close a weekly candle above this level, guys, then in my mind, I will be expecting more upside. I will be expecting more upside. New York is officially open for business. Let's see what's happening. Okay, we're getting a dump to the downside. You know how much New York loves to dump, guys. New York loves to dump. They love to dump. New York loves it. They love taking dumps. The Bitcoin price is coming down. Okay, let's see. We're going to come down to retest value area high. We're getting a little bounce from value area high right now. Let's see. If we come back inside the range, we could get much more downside, and then we're looking down to the $20,800 level. Right now, we're holding this area as our support. What is going to happen? Let's zoom in so that we can see what is actually going to happen here. We're holding the value area high as our support right now. Let's come on over to the order flow chart. What is happening? We do have some longs closing out. We do have some shorts opening right here. Okay, we put in now a higher high, and we're finding support. We're coming on down also to the VWAP. Not only are we finding support on the value area high, but also the daily open, guys, is right here. Is this going to be a bounce that is going to give us much higher prices? Only time will tell. Only time will tell. Let's go down to the 3 minute so that we can see potentially what is happening on the 3 minute. Wow, look at that value area high giving us good support. We have slight bearish divs on that 3 minute time frame. The 1 minute time frame, guys, what do we have on here? Some slight bearish divs on the 1 minute. However, we are printing bullish divergences now on the 1 minute. Some very bullish looking divergences on the 1 minute. Even on the 6 minute right now, guys, bullish divergences. Is this going to be a rocket ship that shoots us up into outer space? Is this going to be the Elon Musk tweet that we've all been waiting for? Is he pulling out his phone right now to tweet? Let's check out what we got going on live. We have some shorts opening up. We have some longs opening up. Right before New York opened, guys, we had a $21 million candle with 9.4 million people longing, trying to push the price up. People are getting bullish this morning. People are looking at the charts. People are pulling out their fibs. Let's see, guys, if we come down now to test VWAP. Okay, let's take a look and see what's going to happen here. We're holding this local level of support. Remember, if we lose 21,171, we are going to open up the doorway to potentially come down to the $20,600 area, which is a key support where I will actually really be looking for a bounce. If we come down to the $20,600 area, look at the amazing potential that we would have here for massive bullish divergences on these time frames here. Okay, we might not make it down there. Let's see. Come on. What's it going to be? What's the market maker going to do? The retail trader's being enticed to FOMO long. Meanwhile, the market maker's building his shorts up here. He's going to come down and grab the liquidity. Sorry, guys. Been listening to Tino a lot. Shout out to Tino from Traders Reality. Let's see if this 6 minute bear div here can take us down to some of our supports. It's tough. It's a fight. It's a real fight. We've got some longs opening up now. We've got some shorts opening up as well. Open interest is staying flat. A 17 million volume candle right here. Look at this. You can really tell where it's being fought out here. We've got some 2.2 million shorts coming in. We've got 1.3 million longs. And it's a battle, guys. It's a fight. It's a battle. Let's see what's going to happen. Shout out to everybody in the chat right now. You guys are the best. I love all of you. May God bless all of you. How do you do taxes with ByBit in America? Talk to your CPA. Talk to your attorney. But ByBit has something in there where you can export all your, oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! We are dumping down like a wild woman in distress. We have hit the trend line of this ascending triangle right now, finding support, finding another bounce, but we are below value area low. What is going to happen? Let's check out the 1 minute time frame. Bitcoin is dumping right now, but is getting a bounce. We can see that the 1 minute money flow is coming down. Is New York going to bring us lower? Let's see what just happened here. More longs getting absolutely wrecked. VWAP right now acting as a strong support. Are we going to hold the VWAP or are we not? We do have some people shorting below the VWAP right now. Never a good idea to do. Okay? In fact, let's even zoom in a little bit more. Let's go to a 5 minute chart so that we can really see who shorted. Whoever smelt it, dealt it. Whoever denied it, supplied it. Whoever smelt it, dealt it. Whoever denied it, supplied it. We have some shorts coming in right now. Longs are getting absolutely wrecked. We're underneath VWAP. Are we going to reclaim the VWAP? Or are we going to flip it now into support? Let's go ahead and put on our VWAP tool. Guys, remember, we have a CME futures gap. Okay, a CME futures gap down here at 19,544. Okay, that means if we come down to fill that gap, it could be a smooth move down, guys. We're talking straight up smooth move. Okay, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Guys, I am shaking, okay? I am absolutely shaking right now. You guys know how it is to be shaking. I'm out of breath. My palms are sweaty. My knees weak. Arms are heavy. Thank the Lord that there's no vomit on my sweater already. Because I don't eat spaghetti because I'm on a grain-free diet, man. You know? Don't be eating those grains, man. If you're trying to get shredded biceps like this, those grains aren't good for you, man. Oh, no. The stream is lagging. Dang. That's a huge bummer, man. That's a huge bummer, man. Stream lagging. What's a man to do when the stream is lagging? Alright guys, so New York is giving us the old 1-2 punch. Let's see here. We're below VWAP right now. Let's quickly see, like, what are people doing? We've got an increase of open interest below VWAP. Right now we have more shorts than longs opening up. About 2 million more shorts than longs opening up below the VWAP. That does open up possibility to potentially squeeze those shorts. Okay. Let's see. Let's take a look. Let's get back into the chat. Is the stream still lagging, guys? Oh, man. Still lagging? Still lagging, huh? Alright, yes. So, guys, we did get a chicken string water with some bearish divs here. We absolutely done did it. We absolutely done did it. So, honestly, here's the thing, guys. Now that we're back inside this range, unless we reclaim VWAP and value area high at 21,166, there's a high chance that we make it back down to our $20,600 area. Alright? That is a very real possibility that we make it down to the $20,600 area. All right, guys, we're getting the move. We're getting a smooth move. I see here that it says we may be experiencing some buffering. I apologize, guys. I apologize, guys. Oh my goodness. All right, so quick update, guys. You know, the long trade is still open, right? The long trade is still absolutely open. And I'm not closing it, man. I'm not going to close it. Not closing it. Okay, I'm down a couple $100 in profits. It's all good in the hood, guys. It's all good in the hood. We know what we're looking for, right? We're looking for a price to potentially come right now down to this key level of 20,600, but more juicily, price to come down to 20.2, or even more juicy, guys, coming down to fill the CME gap in this green box down below. That is the level where I literally have limit orders there. I have limit orders here. All right, to long. So we're going to see what happens. We're going to see what happens if price makes it down. We can see right now we're clearly respecting this ascending triangle trend line right here. Let's now go and literally take a look at this order flow. Whoa, my goodness. Whoa, my goodness. Look at that dumperoni and cheese. Okay, so what is happening here? 15 million traders entering the market right here. 2.5 million more shorts than longs. Okay, so people are looking to short. New York is giving us that 1-2 punch. They want to drop it down. They want to shake out the weak hands, guys. All right, they want to shake out the weak hands. Okay, as we're getting these bearish divs printing on the 12-minute time frame right now. Okay, New York wants to shake out the weak hands before another pump. Now remember, we just made a higher high on the weekly. We just made a higher high on the weekly. And there's nothing weak, guys. There's nothing weak about this trend, even if we dump today. As long as we don't take out the 20,000, the $19,500 area, there's nothing weak about this trend yet. Okay, now we're holding the support right here at the bottom of this ascending triangle. Right? We've literally just come up to the top. Now we're back down to the bottom. Now people might actually say, whoa, this is not an ascending triangle, Jason. This is a falling wedge. Maybe, but we're going to have to wait and see how that goes, guys. Okay? We're going to have to wait and see how that goes. Shout out to DC in the chat, guys. Make sure to FOMO into the like button, guys. We have 700 people in here. Only 200 likes. Let's try and get the likes up to the watchers. All right? Up to the watchers. Just like the ones that came down on Mount Hermon back in the days of Jared. Let's get the likes up to the watchers, guys. Shout out to Danny H for the super chat. What is going on, brother? He says, how do you find a tax CPA in your area that knows how to do ByBit taxes? You gotta find one. I know a crypto guy local to me. He's a crypto CPA. Right? So, look. Make sure to follow the laws and regulations in your region. Make sure to deal with somebody who knows what they're doing. And make sure to follow, like, seriously, follow the law. Deal with someone who knows what they're doing, right? Shout out to Vertruvian Man. God bless you, bro. Thank you so much for being here. Appreciate you. Okay, we are getting the pump from the low of that trend line. We are coming back to the VWAP right now. We are trying to reclaim this VWAP right now. What is going to happen here? Are we going to reclaim the VWAP or not? Let's check out the 1 minute to give us some clarity here. 1 minute time frame, guys. We did get bullish divergences, money flow and momentum here on the 1 minute time frame. Okay, a reclaim of this VWAP could be very bullish. This might be the extent of our 1-2 punch here. I don't know. Let's check out order flow right now. What is happening? Now we've got some longs opening up. Okay, we've got some longs opening up. 15 million volume in this candle right here. We have shorts, guys. Shorts opening up. Basically, when we opened up, we see shorts entering into the market right here. Okay? That means if we start to reclaim the daily value area high, previous day value area high, we could really get a big pump, right? Because then we will have shorts trapped under the water. Now, we have to understand also that the context is we do have bearish divergences right now on the 24-minute time frame, money flow and momentum. This does not look very bullish, right? If we get another rise, I would honestly be looking to take another short. The 1 hour time frame as well, guys, we do have very bearish looking divergences here, money flow and momentum. I'm not gonna lie, guys, this does not look bullish, but when we get to that 4 hour time frame, we do see the money flow getting thick here. And what my hope is, honestly, for this, guys, is basing off the 4 hour, which is one of my favorite time frames to trade, because it really gives you like the feel for the overall market, right? It's big enough to give you the macro, it's small enough to give you the micro. If we cool off a little bit, if money flow stays thick like this, man, and we cool off a little bit and start to come down and print a nice juicy green trigger wave right here, I think that could give us a pump. And again, as long as we don't lose, I would say 19,500, I would remain bullish. And why 19,500? Because honestly, guys, that would then, if we lose this level, we will then put in a lower low here. We will then put in a lower low, right? We could give all this Friday pump back and still maintain bullish market structure, right? And we know that more times than not, these CME gaps do close, guys, right? More times than not, these CME gaps do close. So, but let's see. Let's see what's going to happen here. Okay, the 12-minute time frame does have bearish divs, money flow and momentum. You guys know that's the Jason Casper signal. This is a trade I take every single time. This is a trade I would take every single time. As far as the short trades go, that's my signal. All right, let's check out the S&P 500. S&P 500, guys, is at the value area high. We've been here now for 3 days. All right, let's take a look at how this opened up. Now, we know we have key resistance right here at 4,000, but more so, we have the 4,050, and then we have the 4,100 level for the S&P 500. Let's check out what is happening here locally now. Once we got our market open, yeah, so basically the same as Bitcoin, right? The ES mini futures, S&P 500 mini futures opened up with a big move to the downside. But now look at this, guys. We are still actually getting a green dot on the 6 minute. Let's check out the 12-minute time frame. Let's check out that 12-minute time frame here. Ooh, bearish div, but money flow getting higher, guys. Okay, if we see, I would say, if we start to see the ES maybe potentially taking out this high, getting a chicken's drinking water pattern, or even coming up a little bit higher here, then please be aware that this is a leading indicator for assets like Bitcoin. Okay, assets like Bitcoin. And over here on the Bitcoin chart right now, we are still underneath VWAP. All right, we are still underneath the VWAP. Let's come over to coinalize.net. By the way, guys, if you want to learn all this stuff, order flow and all that, check out the course at learn.jasoncaspertrading.com. There's a 20% discount on both trading courses right now. Also, if you want to join the community, you can go to patreon.com/JasonCasper, where we give the levels every single day. The trade setup from the bottom, guys, from 16.3. That is the long I'm currently in right now. Gave the setup in advance. And we've been taking a whole bunch of short scalps all week as well. Okay, so let's check out Coinalize. What is happening here? Well, we have trades opening up. We've got longs opening up. People are longing right now. People are longing right now. Let's go down to the 1 minute time frame. People are longing underneath VWAP here. We can see open interest is increasing and CVD is getting higher, which is showing us that the new trades coming into this market are indeed long trades. Okay, now remember, we do have a lot of shorts that opened up right here. And honestly, looking on the 1 minute time frame, we even do have, now we don't have it, sorry. Yeah, but we do have a lot of shorts that actually started to short right here. So if we start to reclaim this VWAP, guys, we could get one more big old pumperoni. We could get one more big old pumperoni and queso up there. You know what I'm saying? We're above VWAP right now. Above VWAP, above daily open right now, guys. Oh my goodness. Let's see what happens. First of all, we need to be aware of the local 618-786 zone, okay? there is a chance that we come up here and reject from there. Okay. Let's see how it plays out, guys. Let's see how it plays out here. 12-minute does have room for another local bearish divergence here if we can get another move to the upside. Okay. Again, we know that we're at resistance with bearish divergences. Okay, so this could be a significant high. We know that we have officially made a higher high in the weekly. You know, if we're going to get a pullback today, guys, which I am kind of hoping for, it's going to happen from this box here. If we're going to get a pullback today, it's going to be from this box here. So this might be it. We're coming back down to retest VWAP now as support. Let's see, do we see any kind of absorption here? Do we see any kind of bullish move that's going to show? Ooh. Okay, not too much. Not particularly here, guys. Not particularly. Not particularly. We do have a lot of longs longing into VWAP. Okay, we have a lot of longs longing into VWAP here. We've got longs opening. All right, let's see. This is it, guys. This is it right here. This level, 21,171, guys. This is such a key level here. This is such a key level. If lost, this will give us much more downside, in my opinion. Okay, because we're below VWAP, we're below daily open, we're below value area high. This could bring us much farther down into the range here. All right, let's see, guys. Let's see if we're going to get that move down. Now, remember, for me, I'm looking to add to longs at 19,500. That's where I am looking to add to long trades, guys. That's a pretty big move to the downside, right? 19,500. We are talking from this current point a massive 6% move to the downside. Okay. Now we're talking about giving everything back that we had over the weekend, right? Over the weekend, because like, let's check it out here. Let's go to a 4-hour time frame, and let's go ahead and put on our CME indicator here. Yeah, look at that, guys. Look at this gap. Right down there to 19.5. Boom. That would be a beautiful gap to fill. We also have down there, guys, some more confluences. Other than the CME gap, we do have some other confluences down there as well. If we take a look at a TPO chart, and we go back in time to Friday. Okay, let's go back. Monday, Sunday, Saturday. We're going back in time now to Friday. Look at this, guys. Single prints that will be filled at 19,512. 19,512 single prints. Lots of confluence in that area. Okay, so let's see. Are we going to get that drop down? I don't know. I don't know. We're at this crucial level. This very well may hold as support, right? This is very, very local support right now. You know, we're holding this trend line, this ascending triangle. I know this chart is very, very sloppy here, so let's clean it up a little bit. All right, let's clean up this chart just a little bit. You can see that we're holding this trend line as support. And this red line that I've got on my chart right here, right where price is at, this is the make it or break it zone for me. I mean, if we hold this, I expect higher. If we lose this, I expect much lower. Okay? This is the make it or break it zone. How's our 6-minute time frame looking right now? 6-minute looks like we could get a push up here. VWAP starting to really curve to the upside. 3-minute bullish divs, guys. I mean, really, 3-minute bullish divs. Wow. Right? 12-minute. Man, 12-minute bullish divs, money flow getting thicker. Guys, this could really give us a big pump, honestly. This is looking to me like we could get a move to the upside. You know, if you've taken a short from here, definitely a good time to at least lock in some dang profits, because this is a key area of support, right? If you've scalped this move, definitely a good time to T some P, in my opinion, because we can see some bullish signs forming here on the chart. On the 12-minute, we see the bullish divergences forming here, right? VWAP curving to the upside, momentum and money flow getting thicker here locally, even though regionally we can see it's getting lower. Okay, let's see. 24-minute. 24-minute is officially printing a red dot on market Cipher B, which is a bearish divergence here. Okay, that is a bearish div. But locally, money flow is getting thicker. Regionally, money flow is getting lower. Okay, so if you took this short up here, definitely 100% a short trade I would take. But make sure to manage your risk properly at these times, guys. If you're in profit, you know, take some dang profit at support. We've come down to take out these previous lows here. So definitely where we're at right now is a good place to TP Uno, in my opinione. All right, let me pop on over to the shout out to everybody in chat, guys. Let's see if we can get some likes in here. We've got 800 people, only 300 likes. Oh my goodness. All right, so Divine Hood thinks we can hit 21.8K before a bigger retracement to hit that CME gap. Yeah, let's see. I mean, honestly, at 21.8K, that is a nice level, right? That 21.8K. We've got this weekly order block up there. And yeah, let's see. So we do have some nice levels here. Yeah, 21.8 is a nice level. Above that, 22.8, and then above that, 24.3. These are the high time frame levels I'm really looking at. 4-hour money flow is getting thick, guys. 4-hour money flow is, in fact, getting thick right here. And here we are on coinalyze.net. Let's go down to the 1-minute time frame. Okay, just clear up all the noise here. Look at this rounded bottom thing forming right here. Let's pull out a fib retracement. Hang on, let's get out our fib retracement tool. I know this is an ugly fib, guys, but here's the thing. Here's the thing. As long as your fib fulfills the function, doesn't matter what it looks like. Okay, now I can try and clean this thing up. But basically, here's what we're looking for right now. In my opinion, this box will either be a lower high, and if we break above here, I expect a higher high. That's what I'm looking at right now. All right. Let's check out now. We'll go back to our 5-minute time frame on the order flow chart. We've got longs opening up here, not too many shorts. Volume is high. You know, volume is reasonably high right now. We've got people are entering the market. People are opening trades right here. And we have a lot of longs that have opened up here underneath VWAP. So honestly, right now, daily open and VWAP is a key level, guys. That value area high is such a key level. 21,171 is such a key level, guys. If we continue to hold this level, that is great. If we lose this level, guys, that is not so great. I do have to say the wick to the downside here does look bullish. And we also have to be aware of the fact that technically we have some very bullish divergence. I mean, even on the 24-minute time frame, technically momentum is getting higher as the price is put in that low there. And we can really start to see this now on the 12-minute time frame. Look at that VWAP starting to point up here. So, can we come up and hit our $21,800 weekly order block level? Can we do it, guys? Can we do it? We've got the 6-minute bear div, but now we're getting a green dot on the 6-minute, giving us this printing bullish divergence on the 6-minute. Look at this. Wow. Very bullish looking, I'll be honest with you guys. Okay? Now, definitely, if anybody took this short trade, make sure make sure to lock in some dang profits, guys, because even if we're gonna put in a lower high, right? I mean, even if we come up here and we just lose steam and we just see like crazy absorption of longs or something, and we get a trigger wave, we can always hop in again or add. But you know, just be careful here because manage your risk properly, guys. Manage your risk properly. Hello? I don't, Verizon, I don't even use Verizon, man. Hey, are you watching this Bitcoin price right now? Yeah, are you watching Bitcoin? Are you into Bitcoin? I'm actually, you're in, I am. You know, I'm live on YouTube right now. We're watching New York Open for Bitcoin. Do you have any words that you want to say to the fine people, ladies and gentlemen, out on YouTube land? We got a decent crowd in here. You got any non-financial advice? I'm not interested, my friend, but you know, have a great day, and may the pump be with you. That was my good friend from Verizon. He was trying to sell me some stuff, guys, but I'm not interested. Yeah, I'm totally not interested in the stuff he's selling, guys. I was hoping it was my friend Mark trying to sell me Viagra again, because we could really use some Viagra right now to get that pump on. You know what I'm saying? Dang, we are getting lag up in here. Again, more lag. Ugh. That's such a huge bummer, guys. That's such a huge bummer. All right, we're getting the creep. We're getting the creep, guys. We're above VWAP. We're above daily open. Let's see what's going to happen here. 8.4 million volume. Volume is increasing. Volume increasing. Open interest increasing. Longs increasing. We've got buying imbalances coming in. We've got bullish divergences on market Cipher B. I think we can get another move up, guys. I'm being honest with you. I think we can get another move to the upside. Okay? Now again, this was a very valid short trade to take. But you gotta lock in profits. I can't believe my stream is lagging though. That's such a huge bummer, guys. That is a huge bummer. Surface 9, shout out to Surface 9. Did he say long or short on the phone? He said long. When am I getting married? About 9 years ago. All right, we're getting the pump, guys. We are getting the pump. We're getting the pump, baby. Let's pump it up, baby. Come on. My next TP, guys, is at 25K. That's how serious I am. That's how committed I am. That's how committed I am to this pump, guys. Commit to the pump. All right, every day, show up in the gym. Get that pump on, guys. Always skip leg day. Chest and biceps only. That's how you're going to make the real gains, guys. Ah, that's right. Yeah, I might get... DXY looks like it's reversing. Let's check out the dollar, guys. Okay? Let's check out... Oh, man, the ES is making another higher high here. Let's see if we can pump this, baby. And look, here's the thing. ES making a higher high. But we also need to be aware of this, right? We need to be aware of this, right? So if the ES pumps up into that zone, right? And actually, let's set an alert. I do have an alert actually on the ES here. Let me actually move this alert. Let's move the alert up a little bit. Let's move it up to like... Let's move it up to 40, 45. $10 up. All right, ES is pumping, guys. All right, how's the corn? Right into the golden pocket. All right, this is make it or break it territory, guys. We're getting a slight rejection from the golden poquete. ES says a golden poquete. We do potentially, guys, we do have some potential upside down uneven butt cheeks forming here on Market Cipher B. You can see my good friend Pikachu here, which is definitely not sexually explicit in any way, just to make it clear. The butt cheeks are getting lower as the price is getting higher. We can see that clearly on the ES, right? Here we go, Pikachu's butt. Right here, guys. Pikachu's butt. Showing that potentially we might get a rejection, okay? Also, Bitcoin at the golden pocket. Potential rejection. All right, you guys know what happens when the price is coming up to the key area of resistance and the uneven butt cheeks are on Market Cipher B. It means we can get a rejection, okay? We think she's into us, but we're actually just in the friend zone. So we need to be watching these charts very carefully now. Let's check out what's happening now on order flow. Nothing too significant here, guys. Nothing too significant. Nothing too significant. Check out our good friend coinlines.net. Yeah, remember, guys, we're looking for this zone to look for some potential absorption, right? This is the 6 Juanita, right? We had marked this out. We're looking for this to give us some kind of resistance. And let's take a look here. I don't see anything, honestly, too crazy to write home about here. You know, I don't see any kind of crazy absorption here. We do have a lot of longs opening up into the golden pocket here. However, there's actually more shorts than longs in this candle right here. There's more shorts than longs in this 8.4 million candle. Just by a little bit. Things are pretty even, right? We've got like 8.4 million volume on this candle. There's only 300,000 more shorts than longs, and we have 8.4 million on this candle. There's only 500,000 more longs than shorts. So people are battling it out right now, right? New York, I can picture them right now in that New York Stock Exchange, you know, where everyone's calling out random numbers, holding up bid signs, you know? That's the way it works over at the New York Stock Exchange. Trust me, guys. I'm from New York. I actually have no idea how it works over there, guys. I have no idea how it works. All right. We're making another attempt. We're making another attempt to ask out 6 Juanita on a date. The 618 Fibonacci level. 6 Juanita right here. Is she going to go out with your boy Jason Casper? Or is she going to break my heart again? We're coming up to that golden pocket, guys. What do we see? Do we see any kind of uneven butt cheeks on Market Cipher B? You know, technically we do see a trigger wave right here with money flow coming down on that 6 minute, okay? We technically do. Let's check out what is the S&P 500 doing. Let's go down to a lower term time frame, like the 12 minute, okay? Let's check out the 12 minute here. Honestly, guys, doesn't look so bearish yet. I would honestly really like to see another high here. However, we do have a potential CDW right here, okay? A potential chickens drinking water. All right, let's see what happens here. It's the 1 hour time frame. Is the S&P 500 going to lose this red line here at 40.27 and 25 cents? If so, this could be a real rejection from the 6 Juanita. And here's the thing. if we continue up a little bit higher, we do have the 21469 level, which is 6 Juanita's older sister, 786ia. All right. Now, do you think she's going to go out on a date with us? I don't know. She looks like she very well might reject us. Okay, give us the hand. You know what I'm saying? Give us the face. Give us the hand. She might. Okay. Okay. We're getting a slight rejection. And longs are closing out here. We've got longs closing out. In fact, pretty much everybody right now who longed, coming all the way back to this candle, is now out of their trade, right? So interesting. We still have some longs that open below VWAP. So we're chopping around, guys. You know, we're trying to keep this show rolling, trying to keep the entertainment fun and exciting with this juicy volatility. Was hoping for a little bit more, to be honest with you guys. Was hoping for a little bit more volatility here. We're coming up to the golden pocket. Let's see what you guys are saying in chat here. DXY running the show, it seems. Let's check out DXY. Okay, DXY is pumping. DXY is pumping. That is bearish for risk assets. Let's check out the DXY, baby. Oh my goodness. DXY absolutely pumping. Trigger wave on the 1 hour time frame. Let's check out our daily time frame on the dollar here. Daily time frame on the dollar does look like we do have some potential upside here, guys. But overall, money flow is getting lower on the dollar. So let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens here. Okay, this is kind of what I was expecting, guys. Honestly, this on the higher term time frame. This is drawing here that I have. Basically, where I'm kind of expecting something like this. If we're going to get a relief rally on risk assets, I was expecting something like that. Let's check out the 1 hour time frame here. So DXY, guys, is basically right now in this sideways range here. You know, we can just mark this thing out. We have a clear support resistance flip coming in around 102, but honestly 101 is a very important level. So I would not be surprised if we get some more downside here. I would not be surprised if we get some more downside here on the dollar, guys. This weekly level here is looking very dang juicy for the dollar to potentially get some nice bullish divs here, but the dollar is not pumping too much right now, right? This is the 2 hour time frame. It's not pumping too much right now. You know, we've had half an hour since New York opened. We've gotten a move to the upside. It's nothing too crazy, in my opinion. You know, it's nothing too crazy. Let's see what happens with it. If it keeps pumping, that is definitely bearish for Bitcoin. And here's the thing, guys. Let's see if Bitcoin can come down and hit some of our targets here. You know, we are rejecting from local 6 Juanita here. She's not having it. She's not going on a date with us. We're definitely in the friend zone. And yeah, let's see what happens here, guys, as we're rejecting from the 6 Juanita. Let's see. Good old 6 Juanita. All right. Next stop is 19,300. That's what I'm kind of hoping for, Mobile Buzz. You know, I've got my limit orders in place to kind of to compound my longs down there. We have a bullish div on the daily right now on the dollar. You talking about the dollar? We do. You know, I'm not going to deny the bullish div on the daily here, but that money flow is getting thick into the red. It's getting lower. So let's see it. I think it could go either way, guys. I really do. I think it could go either way on the dollar. Now, here's the thing. I'm bullishly biased, right? I am bullishly biased. I ain't gonna lie. I cannot tell a lie to you guys, okay? I'm like Abraham Lincoln. You know, you guys can tell how good I am at geography because I said Abraham Lincoln instead of the other guy, George W. But, yeah, I can't tell a lie to you guys, you know? I'm not chopping down the cherry tree without my wooden teeth in my mouth and all this and... You know? Let's see what happens here with the ES, guys. ES is pumping right now. That could lead to a corn pump as well. ES is pumping. Corn at local resistance, the local 6 Juanita. Okay, getting a rejection from that local golden pocket. Let's check out now. Okay, so yeah, with the ES, guys, we definitely have some bearish divs forming here. We definitely have some upside down Pikachus going on. Right? We definitely have some upside down Doloreses going on here. Right? Now, when price comes down to the key level, and the waitress is coming out with your coffee over here, right? And she's got a raspy old voice, Brooklyn accent. She smokes too many cigarettes. You know what I'm talking about. Right? When price is coming down to the key area of support, and we got these uneven butt cheeks over here, price is going to get a pump, but the opposite's also true, y'all. Alright? If we see her upside down as price is coming up to resistance, well, then we might get a rejection. Alright? Might get a rejection. And so, keep our eyes on this key level of 40, 27, 25. And also keep your eyes on the key level for the ES on this value area high right here at 40, 43-ish, right? That's going to be resistance for us. These are the zones. These are the zones. All right, Bitcoin getting a little bit of a move down right now. Oh my goodness, finally the volatility is kicking in. Look at that purple candle. This is worse than the 1929 stock market collapse over here. Look at the size of these candles. We have not seen candles this big since the last time I had my screen zoomed in this much, and now we're getting a massive pump. Let's check out the order flow chart. What is happening over here? Below VWAP again, guys. And we've got some people now trying to long, but that's about it. Volume is very, very low here. Volume is low, right? We had these 8.4 million candles. Okay, 7 million, then 3 million. Right now, this 5-minute candle right here, only 240,000 volume right now. Okay, let's check out our 5-minute chart here. Okay, so the candle just opened. We're 1 minute deep. 1 minute deep into this 5-minute candle here. Money flow getting thicker on the 5, even though we're printing that bearish trigger wave. Okay, again, the S&P 500 mini futures, guys. If we lose this level, start to come down from here, I do believe that the corn will also dump down to fill that gap. But if not, I'm expecting the corn to come up and hit those levels, that 21.8K, 21.8 zone. Okay, looks like this level is holding as support for now. Okay. We can see here that we do have, you know, it's the 6-minute chart. Like, we don't really have the most bearish looking chart in the world right here, guys. We don't, but let's see what happens. If we lose this, if the ES mini futures lose this level, man, I think the corn's going to dump as well. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens as we come up to this level. I mean, come down to it. We're coming down to the level right now. We're coming down to the level right now. Oh my goodness. It's holding as support. What's happening? Bitcoin getting a little bounce-a-roni here. Bitcoin and butter. Absolutely. Guys, make sure to like the dang stream. We got 800 people, only 500 likes. If everyone smashes into the like button right now, we might get the likes up to the watchers. I'm talking about the watchers from the Book of Enoch, guys. First Enoch, the watchers that came down on Mount Hermon. Trying to get the likes up to the watchers, guys. Talking about the Daniel 4 watchers, the one that came down to Nebuchadnezzar when he was having a dream. You guys know what I'm talking about? We're getting this little pump here. Okay. Shout out to everyone who liked the video. Shout out to everyone who knows about the watchers. Okay. All right. Okay. So, I mean, I wish there was more to write home about, guys. I wish I could write my mom a letter here. Looks like 6 Juanita might actually contemplate going out on a date with your boy Jason Casper. And if we can get past 6 Juanita, again, her older sister, 7860, we also have to ask her on a date. And if we can get past 7860, remember, guys, this box right here that we drew previously, this is the zone where, you know, we need to reclaim. But I would say that this does not look very bearish. The fact we got this little retracement and now a pretty strong move to the upside. And also, guys, would you look at this, though? I mean, I know that open interest isn't really increasing here, but technically, we do have some bullish CVD right here, right? Technically, we do have some bullish CVD very locally. Okay, this is the 1 minute chart right now. Let's see what happens as we come up to the 6 Juanita here for our second attempt at a date. Okay, guys, the ES is holding this level. So for me, you know, next major zone on ES where I will be looking for a rejection is going to be that 40-43 level right up here. Okay, let's mark it as the value area high. Okay, let's check out how Bitcoin is doing. Yeah, again, we've got that chickens drink water here. We've got a weekly order block at 21.8. We have the CME gap down at 19.5. Personally, guys, looking to compound the longs down here. Okay, I'm in a few long positions right now. In a few right now. Shout out to everybody who liked the video. All right, let's take a look at NASDAQ. Let's take a look at NASDAQ. I don't have any TA right now on NASDAQ, but I would say this, it's looking very bullish. It is pumping like crazy. It is pumping like crazy. Guys, this does not look so bearish to me. I'll be honest with you. It does not look too bearish to me. Right? We're still just trading the range though, right? We can't get overly excited. We're still just trading the local range for Bitcoin. Let's check out our 24-minute here. We're still just trading this range, right? Unless we come up, yeah. This is a no trade zone right here, guys. This is for me at least. For me, you know, y'all do what y'all want to do, but for me, this is definitely a no trade zone here. DXY is pumping right now. All right, let's check out the DXY right now. Wow, NASDAQ is pumping like a wild woman in distress. Let's check out the DXY. Wow, DXY is pumping right now. DXY is pumping right now, guys. All right, guys, you know what time it is. You know what time it is, guys. It's time to leave the office. Because your boy Jason Casper has to take a mean piss right now, okay? So I'm going to go outside and pee in the bushes. Okay? So we can't leave the charts. This is how serious it is right now. All right? We cannot leave these charts. So we're going to be here. Make sure to like the stream, guys, because there's about to be a stream in the bushes. Let me show you guys where I like to pee, okay? Right here. This is my pee tree. All right? It's my pee tree. Oh, yeah. There's nothing like taking a piss, guys, out in beautiful nature like this. You know? All right, so how's the Bitcoin price doing right now? It's not doing much, guys. It's not doing much. Yeah, we can't stop the stream because we have to pee, guys. All right? It's going to be a long one. You know, you guys saw me drink that Yeah, I have a pea tree. Lauren. Yes, that's why it's not the greenest tree in the world, okay? It's a little bit yellow. You know why it's yellow, right? Because trees are like celery. They'll soak up the color of whatever, you know, it drinks up there. All right, so back to the charts, guys. All right, here's my Lambo, aka Dodge Ram. Back to the well-manicured office, guys, the professional-looking office. Inside the basement gym, people don't know, but on one side I have a gym, on the other side a professional office. You can see it over there. There's the office. You know, it's just like a window into another room. Wow, look at this. Wow, back in the office. Boom. What a nice house you have there, Jason Casper. Why, thank you. Yes, it is a nice house. I do agree. You know? All right, time to put the charger back on here. All right, we are back, guys. See, that's the thing. This is true commitment. We are committed over here on the Jason Casper YouTube channel. So make sure to like and make sure to subscribe. All right. AVAX is pumping much more. Yeah, maybe we should have been trading some alts up in here. Maybe we should have been trading some alts. Okay, DXY. Pumping like a wild woman in distress over here. Okay. Let's check out. All right, let's go back to the S&P 500. Then we will look at some alts while we're chilling out right here. Wowzers. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this is not very bearish looking here. We have mixed signals. S&P is pumping. The dollar is also pumping. Okay. Let's check out now some other coins. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and open up a new tab here. Open up a new tab. And we are going to go ahead and take a look at some altcoins, guys. Let's see what's pumping right now. Shout out to What Up Fresh. When am I doing homesteading, gardening, and chicken content? Guys, I mean, I don't know. I really don't know. Is that even gonna fly? Do people want that? Do people want that? All right, let's check out good old AVAX. Wow, AVAX is absolutely pumping right now. Coming up to a weekly area of resistance right here. Yeah, AVAX is pumping. I have not done any TI and AVAX for a long time, guys. But I do have to say that I've been bullish on AVAX for a while here. So let's see what AVAX... Wow, look at that daily candle on AVAX. Wow, look at these hourly candles on AVAX. Wow, look at these 24-minute candles on AVAX. Guys, I'm going to be making a video about alt season soon. I think we are going to see a real altcoin season here. Especially if Bitcoin starts to do this. Right? Especially if Bitcoin starts to do this. I'm going to be making a video on my plans for alt season, guys. Because it could be a way to make some quick gains up in here. You know what I'm saying? Crap, we're losing a connection again now. Guys, I pay so much for internet right now. I literally pay so much for internet right now so I can stream. So when you're out in the middle of nowhere, guys, it is what it is. You know, I don't have Starlink. I don't have Starlink. So I'm sorry about the lag, guys. It's such a bummer. Dang. Are we buffering, guys? Are we buffering? Are we buffering? Can you check out Solana? Dang, we're buffering and we're lagging. Ugh. Let me see what's going on here. All right, I think things might be good here. All right, so we are getting a little rejection here from the 6 Juanita. And we're back down below VWAP again. All right, so AVAX is absolutely pumping right now. The S&P 500, guys, oh wow, is getting a little pullback. So let's really watch this. Let's check out some other assets. Luna Classic. Let's check out Luna Classic. Just a 24-minute time frame. I've been actually trading Luna Classic a lot, guys. I actually shorted Luna Classic from here because this was the short setup that we gave in the altcoin stream in the VIP Discord. I'm no longer in that trade. Curious to see what Luna Classic is doing. Alright, let's check out Solana. I don't even have it on my watch list anymore, but I know it's been pumping, right? Let's check out Sol USDT. Interesting, guys. Sol doing nothing right now. Sol is forming a flag just like Bitcoin. Sol, believe it or not, guys, we have a very interesting support resistance flip for Sol. Coming up at around $25.86. Let's go to like a higher term time frame for Sol. Let's go to the daily. Now, I have not done Sol in a long time. I haven't done TA for Sol in a long time. But just look at this. Okay, be aware of this for Sol. We're coming up to a key support resistance flip right here. But the daily looks bullish as heck. Besides this daily red dot printing here, the money flow is looking actually pretty dang bullish on Sol. Let's go to the 4 hour. Yeah, so the 4 hour, guys, be aware for Sol. It is setting up for a nice upside down uneven butt cheek pattern here. Right? Upside down uneven butt cheeks on Sol. Because if we get this kind of move up here, as we pump up into this box, it could just be a fake out of this massive ascending triangle. It could be. This could be a real bull flag, though. You know, Bitcoin's going to lead the way. And I think this week is very, very important for Bitcoin. I mean, it really is. Okay, so now 6 Juanita is coming down. Okay, now the ES is losing that level, guys. Okay. Let's check out the dollar now. What's the dollar doing? The DXY. Nothing too much here. Oh, just kidding. Dollar's pumping again, guys. Okay, so. All right, this could be it, man. I'm hoping we come down lower. I really want to come down lower. I want to grab some liquidity, 20,600. More importantly, either 20,200 or 19.5, guys. 19.5, I'm really looking to compound the longs here. Yeah, I'm really looking to compound the longs going on here, guys. Because I am bullish, right? I'm bullish. I'll be honest with you. I am bullish. I am not bearish. I am bullish. That VWAP, though, acting as support. Let's check out the order flow again. Nothing to really write home about here, guys. We're back at daily open again. Chopping around. Litecoin. How's Litecoin, our good friend? Litecoin, wow. Doing pretty much the same thing as Bitcoin here. Let me remove some of this analysis. Wow, Litecoin broken out of the range with a retest right now. Litecoin looking super, super dang bullish here. Bounced right from the key area of support that we gave over here. Look at that, guys. Levels are respected. Next major area for Litecoin is going to be the $100 zone, guys. $100 zone is very, very key for Litecoin. It's a major support resistance flip, and we can see Litecoin, it will be coming back up into the previous range. That $100 level is very, very important. This is an area where I'd definitely be looking for some kind of a short on it for some kind of... I mean, obviously, this is a very bullish trend, but I'd be looking for a high to be put in here. And honestly, we can already see bearish divergences now forming on the daily time frame for Litecoin. That is pretty crazy here. Wow. Which makes me think if we do get another push up into this key resistance zone, we could see a rejection up there. All right, ETH losing the level. Bitcoin doing nothing. What about Gala? Gala's been pumping. Am I perma bullish? So, I am leaning much more bullish now than I was in December because of the fact that we have had such a bullish move with a lot of volume, and we've just put in a higher high on the weekly time frame. Yeah, I'm not permanently bullish, but I do think we can get a relief rally here, like a legit relief rally. Right? From what I'm seeing on like Market Cipher B on the monthly, and Market Cipher B on these high time frames is a, you know, it's a really good indication, right? Of course, this is not confirmed yet, guys, on the monthly, but I mean, we've got the green dot, which basically means like last time I got the green dot below the zero line, it was the 2019 the spring relief rally that came up into the fake bull market of 2019 before we put in the higher low and real bull market territory started, right? So I think we could get something very similar. People are like, what about money flow getting lower? I agree the money flow is lower on the monthly, but how many times have we seen the money flow actually zero line active support when the money flow comes down to touch it? And if we look closely at the monthly, money flow is starting to horizontal out here as the VWAP crosses to the upside. All right, weekly time frame is getting something we have never ever seen before on the weekly time frame, which is a bullish divergence with the money flow being in the red. We've never seen this before on Bitcoin on the weekly time frame. Okay, last bear market bottom, we simply just saw a deep momentum wave, but now we have a bullish divergence here. So I would not be surprised if we get a move up to 30K. I mean, you see the TPs I have on my trades right now. Right, my next TP is 25,000. TP after that is 30,000. I'm holding the trade until then, right? I'm holding it until then. And if I get stopped out in profit, I get stopped out in profit. It's all good. I already made like 11K on the trade, right? So, all right, people want to check out Gala. Whenever I think of Gala, it makes me think of Gala apples. Now, I know other people in my Discord are trading Gala. Wow, look at Gala, man. That's juicy. That is juicy right there. Honestly, guys, Gala looks kind of bullish on the daily. We have BitBoy butt cheeks on the daily time frame. BitBoy butt cheeks right here. BitBoy butt cheeks, guys, are when we get these big green dots underneath the oscillator. They're called BitBoy butt cheeks because, well, I think it was Ben Armstrong who popularized these back in January of 2021. Snake eyes, BitBoy butt cheeks on the daily. Big pump. Let's do some analysis on Gala right now, okay? Let's do some real analysis on Gala. I'm going to go to the weekly. Let's put on log scale real quick just to get a better taste of things here. Wow, man. Wow. All right, so we are coming up to an area of local resistance right here on the weekly. Okay, this is local resistance. Well, not local resistance. This is key resistance here. And then above that, we've got this zone here. Let's go to the daily. This is pretty crazy, actually. I think there's a good chance, guys, a really, really good chance that we come up to like the 70 cent, the 63 to 70 cent zone right here. This looks pretty bullish. This is local resistance where we're at right now. It's definitely local resistance. Let's pull some fibs and see what else we can see. Pull some fibs out. When in doubt, pull the fib out. That's what my grandfather always told me. He said, son, when in doubt, pull the fib out. Ooh. Alright, so we're at the 6 Juanita, guys. And we've had a small rejection from her. But now we're quickly gaining steam, and the daily looks like it has more juice. Let's check out our 4-hour. I don't know, man. 4-hour does not look too bullish. 4-hour looks like we could get a more of a move down from the golden pocket here. I'll be honest with you guys. This is never a time where I would enter along on any asset, guys. 4-hour momentum and money flow. This actually could be a top signal, man. Historically speaking, I have shorted the exact top of altcoins by this signal, and we have not put in a higher high here. We have put in a lower high here. Actually, yeah, this could be a significant retracement here on Gala, guys. Okay, now, obviously, this is not financial advice. I have done no TA on Gala up until this point, so this is like 3 minutes of my analysis, but we're at a weekly level, a golden pocket, and we have 4-hour top signals. This is making me think that we do get a retracement coming in from here, okay? So let's see, where would that retracement kind of be? Let's pull out some more fibs here. Interesting. So look at this. Like this is obviously a key support zone right here at 44 cents. I mean, I know this is kind of crazy, right? After a pump like this, but I would be looking at this zone for a retrace to get into a long on Gala, honestly. I mean, that's a big zone. Between 24 and 30 cents. I know it's a huge zone. I'd be looking for something like this. I mean, look at the 4-hour right here. Man, it looks bearish. Yeah, I would be looking to come down. I would be looking for a significant retracement here, back down to the low of this range. I mean, we have so much volume here that traded down here. Such a fast move up. I'd be looking for something like this. Which is a very juicy trade. We're talking the potential to make like 170% gain on this, guys. So this could be nice, right? Let's check out how the corn is doing right now. Corn is dumping, man. All right, maybe we're going to come down to some of our low levels. Can we do it? Can we do it? What do you guys think? Can we come down to some low levels on the corn? Let me know your thoughts in the chat. Corn is starting to dump. Are we going to dump? Yes. Yes, Jonathan Moore. We need more comments like this, Jonathan Moore. Where would I pull a volume profile with Gala? Well, the way I'm approaching the Gala right now, guys, is the following, right? The way I'm approaching Gala is I'm looking at this as a potential range here from this high to this low, and then now we're retesting the highs, okay? That's where I have one volume range pulled from there, and then the second volume range I have a larger range pulled from. back here, where I would consider potentially this being a range high around this support resistance flip around 12 cents. So I've got two of them going on here. It's a little bit hard to identify a range here on Gala, but one thing we know for certain is that we're coming up to a golden pocket. We're coming up to a weekly area of resistance, and we have very bearish signals on the 4-hour market Cipher B right here. Okay. Oh my goodness, Bitcoin is dumping down again. It's dumping down again. All right, let's see, guys. Let's see what's going to happen here. SPX is dumping also. Let's check out SPX right now. We've lost that level, guys. This is a CDW right here on the S&P 500. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Bitcoin's still holding this support, though. The 24-minute div is confirmed. It looks like 6 Juanita did not go out on a date with us. We came up to her. We said, 6 Juanita, will you go out with me? She mooned us upside down, and that immediately led to a rejection, as we can see right up here. She gave us the face. She gave us the hand, and your boy Jason Casper is left all alone. Never will have a relationship in my life, guys. Okay? I'm forever now. I'm an incel, guys. I'm an incel. Alright? I'm so jealous of all those Chads out there. I'm a MGTOW. I'm going my own way, guys, because of this 6 Juanita experience. Let's see if we can dump down, all right? Because of my anger and resentment toward all women because of 6 Juanita, I hope the Bitcoin price dumps down to our target at 19,500 so that we can get into a juicy potential long trade from here, guys. Again, we do have some key levels below, all right? We have some key levels below. We have the bottom of the channel here, okay? 20.4 to 20.6, bottom of the channel. We have the macro point of control down here of the entire range, and then we've got the juice, okay? The CME gap. The CME gap, boom. These are the levels, guys. Let's see if we can get down there. Can we? We're still holding this trend line right now. How's Gala doing? Our good friend Gala getting a little bit more of a move to the downside as well on the good old Gala. The Gala apples. Okay. All right, ES. Come on. Come on, Bitcoin. We need that. We need that new low. We need that low. We got to fill the gap, guys. Fill the gap. We got to fill this gap, baby. We got to fill this gap. Come on. Let's fill the gap. What's a CDW? A CDW is a chicken's drinking water. Okay? It's a chicken's drinking water. Let me show you what a chicken's drinking water is, okay? Okay, now watch this. Okay, have you ever seen a chicken drink water? What she's gonna do, this red hen right here, is she's gonna dip her beak into the water real quick and then pull her beak out, and she's gonna look up and go like, okay? She's gonna dip it in, pull it out, Watch what she does, okay? We're gonna actually put this to a little bit slower here, 0.5%. Watch her. Watch her. Boom. She dips her beak into the water. Boom. She pulls it out. Watch. Lap, 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 lap. Okay? A chicken's drinking water is when price does the same exact thing as what this chicken just did. Okay? When we see, for example, that we have a level like we do right here. This is the water. This red line is the water. The price is the chicken's beak. Okay? And this level right here is the previous high, right? The previous high establishes the water line. The chicken will shove her beak up and then boom, pull it out, lap, 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 lap. And that is a chicken's drinking water. Okay? And when we see on market Cipher B bearish divergences like this, it means it's probably going to be a fake out, okay? That is a chicken's drinking water, right there. Hope that makes sense, okay? All right, we're going to have to dump the Bitcoin price a little bit more here. We're going to have to dump the Bitcoin price. What is happening? Why do we keep ranging? Why are people longing right here? Why are we getting massively bullish CVD right here? Why are we getting bullish CVD? Why are we getting bullish CVD? We don't want bullish CVD. We want to dump, baby. We want to dump. We don't want to pump. I have to be honest, guys. CVD looks kind of bullish here. CVD is looking kind of bullish, man. We might get that pump up that we're looking for, honestly. And if we do get a pump up, man, I'm really hoping we hit that like 21.8 area here. Okay, but let's wait and see what happens. We're gonna have to take some extreme measures right now. We have a 15-minute blood diamond on Bitcoin. Let's do it. Let's do it. Shout out to Wendell Mitchell. God bless, bro. I'm in a short from 21.525. My first winning trade in a week. Was catching a falling knife last week and got wrecked. Sorry, Wendell. Good job on the short trade. Good job on the short. Locked in 75% profit on Moneta. Better safe than sorry. That's true. Yeah. Shout out to Israel. Over 50% gains. No leverage. That's cool. I mean, leverage literally doesn't make you gain anymore. It doesn't. You know, leverage doesn't do anything. It just... Well, it can if you gamble. But if you use it properly, we should always be risking 1%. Right? So... What's a blood diamond? A blood diamond is something on market Cipher B. When the majority of people think it will dump, it will go up. Yeah, right now, I'd say it's pretty tied, right? Like, a lot of people are bullish. I'm pretty bullish. Lauren prefers THC. You prefer THC to what? To CBD? Have I looked at the 618 from the all-time high? I have, right? So, 618 from the all-time high, guys. Check this out. Check this out. This is going to blow your minds. Wow. Yeah, so if we come above 30K, guys, you know, there's a good chance if we come above 30K that we end up at 38K. And this would be the ultimate relief rally fake bull market dump right there. I mean, seriously. Up to 48, 50K and then a dump. That would be epic. That would be so epic. You know, and look at this right now, right? We've got the falling wedge. Target of the falling wedge. Uh-oh. Hang on. I'm having a wardrobe malfunction here on the falling wedge. Target of the falling wedge, guys, is the value area low of this macro range. Check this out. Then we have the 382 POC. Then we have the GP VAH. All right, Bitcoin. Are we going to dump? Are we going to pump or are we going to dump? All right, let's manipulate this price with the dump song. The dump song is the same as the pump song, but we're gonna dump. Are we gonna dump? Are we gonna pump? No, we're going to dump. Okay. Are we going to pump? No, we're going to dump. Let's dump this big... Come on, let's dump the Bitcoin price. Can we do it? Can we dump this price? Let's dump it. Let's dump! It's not working. It's not working. We're gonna pump! No, we're gonna dump! We're gonna pump! No, we're gonna dump! We're gonna pump! No, we're gonna dump! Dump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go! We're gonna pump! We're gonna dump! We're gonna pump! No! We're gonna dump! Fill the gaps right down below! Are we gonna pump? Let's dump! Blech! 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 Alright, it's not working so good, guys. It's working a little bit. Come on. We want to fill our gap. We're gonna pump. No, we're gonna dump. We're gonna pump. No, we're gonna dump. We're gonna pump. No, we're gonna dump. Dump the Bitcoin. Let's go. We're gonna dump. Yeah, we're gonna pump. We're gonna pump. Yeah, we're gonna dump. This one goes out to 6 Juanita for breaking my heart, 6 Juanita. This is what you get. Hardcore music is the only way I can let out my aggression. Alright, the ES is dumping, guys. Let's see if the corn can continue. It's not looking so great, honestly, for the dump, guys. Let's zoom out. Wow. A lot of longs coming in here. A lot of longs in this one candle. We're gonna bump! No, please dump! I wanna dump! I wanna dump! No, we're gonna bump! Oh yeah, baby. It's working, man. We got one little purple candle on the chart, baby. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Woo! Oh, man. Well, that was intense, guys. Well, that was intense. All right. Now we got some calm, cool, and collecting music. But here's the thing, guys. The pump song doesn't even work. You know what I'm saying? So, dang. Money flow's coming down, but momentum's coming up. Guys, I think ES is going to be our saving grace here. I do. Yeah, I'm vibing out to this. Yeah. Yeah. Yo, did we pump up or was it just a bull trap? 19.5, we gonna fill the CME gap. Chilling down here in my really nice place. I got a really cool look up on my face. And hey, we're singing metal music, chilling real loud. And as I look around, I can hear the sound of a crowd. How come? Everybody's trying to long the Bitcoin, but when it dumps down, they're going to say, oi, oi, oh no, my lungs got stopped out. What am I gonna do? We just took a dump like the time I took a poo after 3 a.m. when I ate Taco Bell. It went right through me and it did not end up very well. Oh no, are we going to dump or are we going to pump? Volume is low and we're in a little slump. Oh no, I see a blue candle up on the chart. Look at this picture right here. It looks like some art. And guess what? I'm still chilling in my Bitcoin longs. Gave the setup in advance over in the... now the beat's over now. What the heck, man? I was vibing to that beat, man. Jeez, man. Alright. Well, I don't know what's going to happen, guys. 24-minute bull divs coming, says iBrandon. Yeah, we might have some 24-minute... We might have some 24-minute bull divs coming. Let's check out the 24-minute. Yeah, 24-minute bull divs could be coming. Man, I so bad want to fill that gap, guys. And the reason is because, like, my longs... Like I said, I accidentally took a lot of profit out. I had 1.3 Bitcoin in a long from 16.3. And I was in a short scalp the other day. I tried to set a limit order for a 1 Bitcoin position at 20.2K, which never got hit. But instead of setting a limit close for my short, I ended up setting a limit close for my long, which took the majority of my position out. So now I'm chilling in a 0.3 Bitcoin position, and then this morning I added 0.6 Bitcoin to it, which gave me a crappy entry of like 19K. So I'm kind of hoping if we come down to retest 19.5K, I can add to the long from that zone. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, this is what I'm hoping for, guys. We'll have to see what happens with it. I mean, I don't care, right? If the trade, if it doesn't work out for me, oh well, I made a good profit on it. I really did. I did make a good profit on it. I made about half a Bitcoin. That's not bad. I'll take half a Bitcoin. I'm not a whale up in here. I'm not a whale. What do they call me? Like a shark or something? I don't know. I don't even know what those animals mean. You know, Crypto Lifer explained it to me the other day. I forget what he said. I think I'm a crab or something out in the deep blue sea. All right, here we go, man. See, the dump song works, but sometimes it takes a little bit of time. The dump song works, but sometimes it takes a little bit of time. Oh, Boyan gave a setup this morning at 23,187. Interesting, man. Oh, yeah. Wow, 23,187. Boyan gave a setup at 23,187. That's the value area high of the range. Yeah, it makes sense why he would give that. Yeah, let's check that out. Let's check out 23,187. Shout out to everybody who gave me the super chats. I'm sorry that I forgot. I missed some super chats. Okay, shout out to iBrandon. 12 minutes on Gala's looking good. I know someone else gave me a super chat in here. I'm so sorry that I missed it. Gotta find it. Gotta find it. Hang on. My apologies, guys. Whoever did give the super chat, may God bless you in Jesus' name. I'll bet you I can find the super chats. I gotta go on my phone here. Hang on. Wow, it's already 11 o'clock, huh? Man, time flies when you're singing the pump song. Well, in this case, the dump song. All right. Dang. Okay, so shout out to iBrandon for the super chat. Man, I can't find the other super chats. Whoever gave me a super chat, thank you so much. Somebody gave me a $10 super chat. May God bless you. And I'm sorry I can't. Oh, wait! I found it. Overcome. Thank you, Overcome, for the super chat. And, thank you so much, Overcome. May God bless you. Alright, that's all I can really find on the super chat, so I apologize, guys. Man. I'm actually driving to this beat right now, too. What were we going to look at here? We were going to look at something of importance, I think. We're going to look at something of importance. Yeah, buoyant setup. Okay, yeah. I remember it now, okay? Look at this, guys. Look at this. We have this 23K zone. It's very important. It's the value area high. In addition, look at this. See what else we got around these parts. Do we have anything else around these parts? I'll bet you boys looking at this 0.5, huh? I know how much he loves those 0.5s. Shout out to Overcome. Says, here's another $5 for the jams. Best stream ever. More metalcore, please. Yeah, this is definitely a key level up here, guys. I mean, if we bust through our current resistance zone, then our next level is definitely going to be that this zone right here. Okay, Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin even doing, guys? What is Bitcoin even doing right now? It's just chilling out. Let's check out the order flow again. Wow, a whole bunch of longs entered here. It looks like I'm frozen here. Hang on. Let's check out Coinalyze. What's happening? Man, would you believe that, though? 6 Juanita, definitely with the rejection right here. And now we've got this thing, right? Some people might even call this a bear flag, right? Let's check it out. Are we going to break down from this? Let's see, guys. Man, I'm really vibing out to this. Bass player for this song. Alright, so this is a 12-minute. Looks like we could get a money flow cross under on the 12-minute here. Shout out to Brenton Mooney. Jason, why don't you ever share the gospel of Jesus Christ? Shout out to the super chat. Brenton says, Jason, why don't you ever share the gospel of Jesus Christ? You always get blessings, which is great, but some people may not understand how to receive eternal salvation. Well, we've gone into it on stream before, Brenton. We've gone into it on stream before. In fact, many times. If anyone's an OG of this channel, you know we've literally opened up the Bible in the original languages, in the Hebrew and Greek. You know, and I've shared the gospel many times on the channel, but we have to remember, this is a technical analysis channel, right? So I'm not necessarily primarily here to share the gospel, but if you stick around long enough, you'll definitely hear it. But I just am who I am, my friend, you know? But I appreciate the super chat. Thank you so much. May God bless you. I need to record a song. I've recorded a lot of songs, guys. I've recorded a lot of songs. I'll play a song I recorded right now. You guys want to hear a metalcore song that I recorded, wrote and recorded, all the words, instruments and everything? Let's take a poll. Let's take a poll, guys. You know, your boy Jason Casper, he's recorded a lot of songs in the day. Back in the day. Gala guys, you know, at Resistance, getting the Dumperoni and cheese. How's the ES doing? ES still dumping. I think we might be able to fill some gaps on the corn, man. I really think we might be able to fill some gaps on the corn. Wow, a lot of people want to hear the song. Alright, the song. Alright, let's play it, man. Let's play it. Now, it's heavy, guys. It's heavy. So if you don't like heavy music, you know, I'm just warning you guys. Alright? It's heavy. It's heavy. Alright? It's heavy. Oh, you know what? We're still at 0.5 speed.
sound. Gaze upon this fragile image. Their world comes crashing down. Bottoms out. The person is lying. They will be overturned. Love turned up your one. The one who died for you is the MEXC one. And everyone he says is
I can't release it, guys. Well, it's technically out there on YouTube, but you'll never know where to find it. I just played that from YouTube, so there's a hint, guys. But here's the thing. I used to be a legitimate musician. My old band was legit. We were signed to Rise Records. But I don't do that anymore, and that was a demo that I wrote and recorded it on my MacBook. Same MacBook that I'm streaming on right now. I don't have a Bandcamp. Look, literally that was the only single I recorded. It was gonna be an EP. I have all the instrumentals done. I haven't done vocals on it. And never gonna. That's the thing, never gonna. It is what it is, guys, you know? Yo, shout out to Smokin' Joe. Smokin' Joe! What is your sentiment on these markets right now, bro? What is your sentiment on these markets right now?
There is always a curious time between the fall and the creation.
Yo, Smokin' Joe, man. Tell me, what's gonna happen, man? Are you looking for a pump or a dump? Because we keep holding the support right here. Yo, shout out to Mind Your Color for the super chat. Thank you so much. I should have my own songs like Cryptoface. Yeah, maybe I will. You know, maybe I'll record some Jason Casper originals, some rap music, some metal music. You know what I'm saying. Is the person vomiting in the song? Well, yeah, you know. Yeah, we try to get it to sound as realistic as possible. You know what I'm saying? Why did I stop? Well, I stopped doing music, guys, because a lot of reasons. You know, I was living a pretty sinful lifestyle, so I repented of the lifestyle. And you know, with that, life just took different turns, and music is one of those things where, I mean, to do it at the level I was doing it, it takes a lot of time to keep those chops up, let me tell you. Like, there was a time where I practiced guitar 8 hours a day. When I was in high school, I actually used to cut school so I could practice guitar. And I used to practice all night, and I would bring only a pillow in my backpack so I could sleep during class. And you just don't have time to be putting that much into the guitar when you're doing other stuff, like supporting a family and a wife and kids and a homestead, growing your own food, you know, watching the charts and all that stuff. You know what I'm saying? So, it is what it is, guys. Yeah, it is what it is. Shout out to Overcome for the super chat. All right, Smokin' Joe says, beware of January 21. Now, Smokin' Joe, if anybody doesn't know who Smokin' Joe is, Smokin' Joe, he's a trader. He's pretty dang good at TA, and he's pretty spot on with his calls. You know what I'm saying? Lauren, you know Smokin' Joe? Lauren Alessandra Colis knows Smokin' Joe. Bitcoin back to the point of control on the 4 hour. Are you talking about the $20,800 level, Smokin' Joe? I'm really hoping, Smokin' Joe, that we come down to fill the CME gap at like 19.5K. But I'm fully aware that 20.6K and also like 20.2K are also key levels. Key. Oh, nice. That's cool, Lauren. So y'all know each other. Married life is hard. I'll be honest with you. Married life has been real nice for me because I don't know how I'd get through life not married. It would be hard. Shout out to AXSCB. What is going on? Oh, nice. Cool. So, we got some Smokin' Joe fans. Smokin' Joe, don't be mad at Lauren for leaving your Zoom calls, man. She just got antisocial, bro. Don't take any offense. She doesn't mean nothing by it. Well. Alright, January 21st it will dump. David's been married for 15 years, fantastic. Crypto needs Red Bull, loves his wife. Yeah, I love my wife too. You know, my wife, I mean, I can't even imagine not being married to her. Shout out to Mind Your Own Color, who says, oh, I forgot to say thank you. Your trading course changed my life. Well, I'm so glad to hear that, Mind Your Color. Guys, there's still a 20% discount on the trading course. Learn.jasoncaspertrading.com. 20% discount if you use the coupon code Juicy Discount. Also, guys, we still have the 14-day free trial going on for the Crypto Fusion bot. So if anyone's interested in a 14-day free trial of Crypto Fusion bot, go ahead and use this code on the website, jasoncaspertrading.com. Click the trading bot link at the top and use this code right here to get 14 days free trial of the bot. Okay? Also, yeah, if you want to join the Discord group, the Casper Crew, you can go to patreon.com/JasonCasper. And if you want to trade on an exchange, I got links in the description for ByBit and MEXC. Those are the two exchanges that I am using right now because I think that they are the best ones, in my opinion. I like them both. And you can get a whole bunch of bonuses and discounts and all that stuff that YouTubers always try and shill you. You can get that too if you use my links, right? Well, dang, man. I'll be honest with you guys. Well, dang. You know, well, dang. We're just chilling out here, man. Not doing much. Getting a 1 hour red dot on the ES, but the 1 minute is looking like a pump city. Wow. And Bitcoin's also going to pump city right now. Wow. Wow. Hello? Oh, wow. It's Jessica. She has a limited time Christmas offer for me. Guys, I'm going to be on Around the Blockchain tonight, 5 p.m. Eastern Time. Make sure to come check it out. So, when am I going live with Andy? I don't know. I have to get in touch with Andy from Bitcoin Census, and we will be going live soon, guys. We absolutely will be. What time frame am I using? The TR charts? The 44 to 26. I mean, it's not really a time frame, right? It's not really a time frame. But I'm using the 4426. Let's zoom out onto the 5-minute. I like the 5-minute a lot. Let's see what is happening here. Guys, honestly, so on the 5-minute, it does appear as if we are getting some bullish CVD down here below VWAP. It really does appear that way. It does appear that way. And we're heading into lunchtime, New York City lunchtime. Let's see, do we still see that bullish CVD on the TR chart? Yeah, we don't really actually see it as much on that TR. That's a lie. We do see it. Yeah, we see it, guys. Yeah, we see it here. Yeah, we got some bullish CVD underneath VWAP here. Let's see what happens with it. You know, a reclaim of VWAP. Let's check out what did we actually do locally here. I'm really hoping for more downside right now. You know, it's funny, right? I mean, all these longs, and I've been hoping for more downside. It's because I want to fill up some longs. Well, I'll be darned. Put me on a tractor and name me Aunt Sally. Give me a pink lemonade with a twisty straw. We bounced right from the dang golden pocket with bullish CVD, guys. Golden pocket with bullish CVD. That's kind of bullish, man. That is kind of bullish. It's kind of bullish. And even here, I mean, even locally, you might be able to make the case that we have local bullish CVD forming in this little bull flag. Yeah, I don't know, man. Are we going to get our move? Even the ES is starting to get a little bit of a reversal here. I mean, it's a 1-minute chart. Doesn't mean anything. What exchanges? I use ByBit and MEXC. MEXC, you're not gonna need a VPN yet, right? Because they're so new that they're not requiring VPNs. Am I long or short? Mamad. I'm mostly long. I did take a short when we got the CDW as well, so I'm in a small short, but mostly long. And I'm hoping to come down lower. Honestly, I'm hoping to come down lower to some of these supports. But guys, I am going to end the stream, I think, because we've been on for 2 hours. Should we end it? What do you think? Should we end it? What do you think? Shout out to Zero Cool, who took a short from the top. The 4 hour saying down we go. Yeah, I guess the 4 hour, it is looking like we could come down a little bit more. Man, I'm hoping we get a big move down. I was really hoping we'd get some volatility here, man. I was hoping we would get some volatility here. Let's see, actually. All right. We'll keep going. Why am I not taking a trade? Because there's no trade, in my opinion, to take right here. I don't want to take a trade here. I don't want a long here. I don't want a short here. But let's see if the ES makes a higher high locally on the 1 minute here. Wow, I mean, we definitely have some bullish CVD here locally, man, underneath this VWAP. Maybe we're just gonna pump and not ever come down to our targets, man. That would be a little bit of a Chris Bumstead. What are the targets for a short right now? My targets are 20.2, well, 20.6, 20.2, and then 19.5. You know, my targets for the long are 25K and 30K. 25 and 30K are my targets for the long trade, guys. So I've literally got them set. And I'm not teeing P until we get there, unless I can come down and fill up some more. I've got them set, man. So I'm not changing them. I'm holding out, man. I'm holding out. If we pump, we pump. If I don't get to add more, I don't get to add more. It is what it is. You know, it is what it is. I'm not going to add to my positions here because we have that gap below us, and we just had such a fast move up here. Yeah, that's true. Bitcoin is holding very well. You know what I'm saying? Entries for shorts, I would definitely be looking at the 21.8-ish zone. And then I would be looking at the... basically the 22.8 to 23K zone as well. I mean, those would be zones I'd be looking at. We're really going to have to play it by ear. Okay, so the 6 minute is starting to actually look pretty bullish with money flow here. Let's see what happens at VWAP. We put in our low, reject from VWAP, higher low, bullish CVD. You know, we definitely did get some bullish CVD coming down to the 6 Juanita. Here's the thing about 6 Juanita, right? Although she will definitely reject you, right? We came up to the 6 Juanita right here, and she rejected us, and it was very sad. Because you're in the friend zone, she will still be there to give you support when you come back down to her. So, I mean, we can see the bullish CVD as we're getting higher right here. CVD is getting lower here. It's kind of led to this move to the upside. How's ES? Oh man, ES pumping. ES just put in a higher high on the 1 minute here. So, yeah, we might get that move up now, man. I have to wait and see. Shout out to Lauren. Thanks for dropping by the stream. If I have 1,500 in my account looking to risk 1% per trade, does it mean I can only put 15 on a trade? No, no, no. It doesn't mean you can only put $15 on a trade. It means that you can only risk $15 per trade. You can put a lot more on a trade. You just need to risk only $15. It depends on your stop loss. So whatever your trading plan is, it depends on your stop loss. All right? So yeah. What is a CME gap? Please explain. A CME gap is basically the futures markets close on Friday, guys, and they open on Sunday. Okay, so Bitcoin is 24/7. So if you have the futures market closing, here, let me show you on a cleaner chart. Uh-oh, hang on. Let me get the indicator back on. CME Bitcoin gap. You can use the indicator CME Bitcoin gap, and it's really glitchy right now. I don't know why. I actually, yeah, this is super weird. Whoa, hang on. Okay. No copyright power metal right here. All right, so this is where the CME futures market closed on Friday, but then we pumped up, okay? So typically we actually fill these gaps and they act as support. Yeah, I think we could stab 25K for sure. I absolutely do. Yeah, so if you want to see the actual chart to see the futures market, the ticker is BTC, one exclamation point. I don't know. I haven't actually done the statistics on it, to be honest with you. But they do tend to get filled. More times than not. You can go back and just look. Turn on the indicator and just look. They tend to get filled, right? Yeah, now it's acting as a support, but there's confluence there as well at the CME gap. It's not just a CME gap, it's also like a golden pocket and a whole bunch of other stuff as well. Right there. So. Alright, let's get on some more chill stream music right here. Here we go. More chill stream music, guys. Spartan Wrestler says, July 25th, 2021 CME gap was awesome. Oh, man, I don't remember what that was, Spartan. Is it a good idea to open a short at 21,600 if it goes up again? I would want to get a little bit higher now. Now that we've really taken out the Friday high with a nice CDW, I would want to hit at least like 21.8. Right, we came up to our box of resistance. Yeah, I would want to come up a little bit higher, to be honest with you. All right, let's check Litecoin. We already did kind of take a look at Litecoin. Litecoin is starting to form bearish divs on the daily. And we have our $100 resistance just above us up here. So, you know. I would be looking at a $100 Litecoin for a pullback there. Man, you know, Bitcoin is holding very nicely, guys. I do have to say, I am a little bit surprised of the lack there of volatility, but maybe after lunchtime, around 2 p.m., we might get some more. And let's see what happens when market closes. And also, let's see what happens tomorrow is Wednesday. Wednesday and Thursday could be very interesting days for us. I might do an afternoon stream tomorrow. I haven't decided yet. But, guys, I am going to head out of this stream, guys, because we've been on for 2.5 hours, and, you know, we haven't gotten much here. So, may God bless all of you guys, in the name of Jesus the Messiah. May the Lord bless all of you and protect you. May He shine light upon you. May He have grace upon you. And may He turn His face towards you and give you wholeness and completeness. In the name of Jesus the Messiah, the God of Israel, I do pray everyone is super blessed. And I'll see you all in the next stream. Peace.